Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to use an Apple Watch. This will specifically be a Series 6 tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the new Apple Watch Series 6. I'm going to show you how to use it. If you swipe up, you're going to access your control center. And you can see you have all of your options here. You have your Wi-Fi option, your battery level. You have this little button right here with the bell on it that tells you that you can turn the sounds and your notifications on or off. You have your camera option. This right here turns it into nighttime mode, which is really convenient. Lots of cool features for that. You have airplane mode, a flashlight, and then what you also have is this little water droplet icon. So you push the water droplet. Let's say you go ahead and some water gets on the watch. When you want to eject the water from the watch, you turn the crown. You can see right here, you turn the crown. And if you hear that, it's vibrating to get all the water out of the watch. Okay, really cool. Instead of swiping up, if you swipe down, you can access your notification center, but I'm not going to show you those notifications. But if you swipe all the way down, you'll see your notifications. You can see that I had one notification 31 minutes ago about something that was scheduled over there. So an assignment daily schedule was posted. This is actually my wife's Apple Watch. That's why I'm not going to go ahead and show all of her notifications out of respect to her, obviously. And if you want to get to your home screen, you push the crown in like that. And as you can see, you have all of these apps right here. And from your home screen, you can basically select an app. So I can choose that. It brings me back to the screen that I was already on, which is like the watch screen. I can go back to the home screen like that. If you want to go to a different app, I'm just trying to see what I can show over here. If you want to go to a different app like calculator, let's say you just push the calculator, you can go ahead and put whatever digits you want in there. And it's really cool because the touchscreen works really, really well. You would think that it would be iffy as a touchscreen, but it works really, really, really well, okay? You click the crown to go back to the home screen. You can also turn the crown to zoom in. So let's say I don't want to touch the screen. My hands are oily or wet or whatever, or dirty, and I don't want to dirty my screen. If I'm hovering over the calculator like that, I can just turn the crown like that to get into it. Very simple like that. Push the crown in to go back home. It works really, really well, and you can access all of these apps through your actual iPhone. So once it's connected to your iPhone, you can then use your iPhone to add apps in, to remove the apps, and then to alter the things of different apps, basically. And you also have your settings from within the Apple Watch right there. I'm not going to go ahead and click that because I don't know what's going to show, like I said. But at the end of the day, it's really easy to use. You choose the app that you want to use. You click it. You go ahead and you use the app. When you're done, you push the crown to go back to the home screen. Very simple. When you want to go back to your little watch face, you push the watch button right there, and it shows you all of the information. And you can customize the watch face as well with whatever information that you want. As you can see right here, my wife has all of her exercise and health information shown, but you can choose whatever you want. And it also shows all of the settings at the top right there. But that's it. That is essentially how to use an Apple Watch Series 6, a very easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.